Hello, Odoo. Welcome back to our channel, Devintelle. In last video, we looked at how to book your appointment for the housekeeping cleaning. But in this video, we will see how to confirm your appointment after your book. So let's see about that. Here display your created booking. Now open it and display here your created reference number for the appointment. Display here the service package name. Your selected branch is a downtown HQ. Booking date for the 12th June. And also display here the slot 9 to 12. Display here is customer information, week address and plan date. Now this section is for team assignment. So your assigned team Alpha State, team leader is the admin and your company name. And under this checklist provided here this whole it's not done, so display here this enabled. Only included tasks like a deep clean bathroom, dust all surface, kitchen counter and vacuum floors. And also provided or attached here you can easily before image or after cleaning image. And if you want to add here any remarks related to this task, then easily add here. Second section is the customer signature, and third one is the notes that where to booked here. So booked via on a website. So display here is or not. So now you can easily confirm this. So move in draft to confirm. Now go to your jobs and display here only your job. It means your company, your name is admin, and display here this date with shifting timing and with team members. So when you open this your job, then display here your job is now confirmed. Display here customer name, package name, branch, Alpha State teams, service address, booking date and slotting timing. Now also display here is full checklist. When on the way, then easily mode in this. And now easily start your work. So display here team on the way timing and actual starting time of this task. And when you done this all task, then easily move in this done state. And if you want to attach here before or after image, after cleaning and before cleaning, then easily add here. And if you want to write here any remarks, then easily add here like it's done, etc. Let's say and now mark as a done. And display here when you try to done this task, then display here this operation. Please capture the customer signature before marking the appointment as a done. So first of all move to this signature tab and now easily add here customer name like admin and now add here the signature and accept this. Now let's see. It's one type of confirmation after completing task. So here assignment to the customer, now easily open it. And third section provided here the setting, no giving any rating related to this task, but if you want to give, then easily open your signed mail and you can easily give there. How to give rate, we will see in the next video. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.